need you and I miss you and I want you and I love you, cause I wanna hold you, I wanna kiss you. You were my everything and I really miss you.
I just wish everything could have turned out different. I had a special feeling about you. I thought maybe you did too and you would understand, but no matter what, you'll always be in my heart and you'll always be my baby.
Our first day, it seemed so magical. I remember all the times that I had with you. Remember when you first came to my house? You looked like an angel wearing that blouse. We hit it off, I knew it was real, but now I can't take all the pain that I feel. Reach in your heart, I know I'm still there. I don't wanna hear that you no longer care. Remember the times, remember when we kissed. I didn't think you would ever do me like this. I didn't think you'd wanna see me depressed. I thought you'd be there for me, this I confess. You said you were my best friend, was that a lie? Now I'm nothing to you, you're with another guy. I tried and I'm trying. Now on the inside it feels like I'm dying. I need you and I miss you and I want you and I love you, cause I wanna hold you, I wanna kiss you. You were my everything and I really miss you. I need you and I miss you and I want you and I love you, cause I wanna hold you, I wanna kiss you. You were my everything and I really miss you.
And I do miss you. I just thought we were meant to be. I guess now we'll never know. But the only thing I want is for you to be happy, whether it be with me or without me. I just want you to be happy.